As the increasing impacts of climate change highlight the urgency of reaching an international accord, representatives from many countries convened in Cancun, Mexico, for the 16th session of the United Nations Conference of the Parties, or COP16. Held from November 29th to December 10th, 2010, the gathering brought together heads of state and other decision makers seeking solutions to avert further global calamity. At the invitation of the Mexican government, world-renowned spiritual leader and humanitarian Supreme Master Ching Hai also attended the summit. During her stay in Cancun, Supreme Master Ching Hai was invited to share her thoughts on priority climate change measures with the media, among which was Televisa TV. As the first major television station in Mexico, Televisa TV broadcasts nationwide, as well as in Latin America, the United States, Europe, Australia, and New Zealand. We now invite you to listen to the following interview with Supreme Master Ching Hai by Televisa TV in Cancun, Mexico on December 12, 2010.
You know, we have beer also, no alcohol. You want to drink beer? No alcohol.
No. All right.
Yeah. You like? Normally you drink beer or not?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
Beer I just put in the fridge, maybe not cold.
I don't care, I like it.
Yes.
Warm.
You do? It's okay? Now and then, huh?
It works for the system. It's very good.
Do you enjoy the food? And we can talk later, so. I used to with Mac into work when I eat,
Yeah,
you know, like everybody.
I like it. Yeah.
You know, I'm just like you generally. Sometimes working or eating,
Yeah.
you know,
Yeah.
We
That's
have
the
to
same.
make deal with time, yeah.
Time. I want to know,
Yeah.
to become vegan can change the world.
I have told on the stage. Were you
Yeah.
there?
I was there.
Okay.
I
You
want to know,
what?
if you're sure you can
Am I
eradicate,
sure?
you can eradicate the hunger in the world.
Yes. If we don't feed the animals, don't raise more animals, because we, at least 55 billion animals are killed each year just for eating. And that 55 billions of animals eat up all the grains, vegetable, valuable food and water. Living 1 billion people hungry right now.
Yeah.
With all that grain, we can feed 2 billion people.
Yeah,
We don't feed
understand
the animals.
completely.
So, for sure. But the government have to work together.
I saw the video.
Yes, it's not about we can or cannot. It's about we do or we don't want to. We
Yeah.
will or we will not. You see, we cannot just keep all this industry just to make somebody rich or a handful of people
Yeah.
rich, while billions of people
It's
hungry.
dying now.
And children, every 5 seconds, one child dies. I'm talking to you, I don't know how many would die
Yeah, I know.
because of hunger, because of water.
That's so sad.
Yes,
It's very sad.
and we have enough to feed the world. Moreover,
I know. We need to change that.
so we have to change. I don't understand 21st century already, and still don't have such a concept as feeding the world like your family members.
Yeah. So sad.
Then I have to keep talking again and again and again to my own table. Like nobody cares.
No,
Please.
I care. I do
I know,
care.
I mean, but it's just a small group.
And I believe in you.
Yes, no, I'm
What
not
you have to do.
like talking like religious or anything, don't need. We just use statistics, you know, from scientific and research. It's all number. It's not like I made it up or tried to preach to people. Of course, I remind people to be more like the children of God because that's a noble position. Children of God, believe it? And we act like this, killing each other.
Yeah. with how to be vegan change your life?
How vegan change life? First of all, you're healthier. Second, you're more intelligent because you can think clearer.
Very
Or
clear.
the blood will flow to your head instead of staying in the stomach for many hours to digest the meat. Meat is difficult to digest.
Yeah.
Vegetable
Very
easy, you see?
So-
So I digest it for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and the rest go back to work.
Yeah.
Otherwise, the meat will keep the blood there for a long time, and so the blood will just stay in the stomach to try to digest the food.
And working.
Uh-huh.
And your body is getting tired.
Mm-hmm.
I know, I read a book. It's called Stomach is First. In Spanish is La Panza es Primero.
Yes.
And there tells to everybody how the body works to digest a little piece of meat.
Yes, I know.
It's so hard to the
So
body.
much all the energy and the cells have to work.
Yeah, and toxins and
Yes, yes.
it's like a poison
Oh,
for your body.
terrible for the liver and for the blood and for the heart to have to clean all that.
Yeah, it's so hard to
Poor
the body.
body. I know. That book you read, huh? Where is that book? In Spanish, huh? Do they translate it into English? Only in Spanish, huh?
I think so.
Mm-hmm.
I think so.
And after reading that, you still eat meat? Oh,
No,
no, you change.
no, I tried to change.
Uh-huh.
You know,
But difficult, huh?
yeah, the vegan food here
Yes.
in Mexico is
Rare.
so hard. It's
No, understand.
bad. I want to change it. I mean, I feel different when I eat vegetables and fruits and
Yes.
everything
Mm-hmm.
than I eat meat.
Mm-hmm.
I sleep better.
Yes.
I wake up better.
Yes.
So I think better.
Yeah. Clear.
So I see the difference.
Yes. Well, at least you try and you know the difference.
Yeah,
And now you can choose. You see, first you prove it.
I choose now.
Yes.
Just already.
Very good for you.
No, thanks for you.
At least you know. You first you have to know that it's good or not, and then okay, now you know good, then you can choose. You see?
Yeah.
Don't just believe me blindly, yeah?
No.
Yes.
I'm investigating, you know.
Yes, that's why I told people tonight, you try it 10 days, 2 weeks, and then you
Do
see
it.
the big difference, and then you choose.
It's a big difference.
Yes,
I mean, in 5 days, you can see the difference.
yes. Even, I tell you, even if you don't have this kind of vegan meat, you can just eat, yes, try it. You can just eat even cucumber, this, vegetable, beans, anything. Anything is 1,000 times nutrition for you.
Yeah.
Even one tomato has 1,000 nutrients in it. It's just if our body are no good, it doesn't absorb it all.
But many people don't know.
Yes.
It's so sad.
Yeah, people are not well informed because even some industry don't want to make people know. Even if they know, they don't want to let people know.
Yeah. I
Make
have.
money.
That's it. That's
Yeah, that's the problem with this world, you know.
I don't want to compare the meat
Yeah.
with other substance, you know.
Yeah.
But I think they make you addicted.
Yes, yes, addictive and tired.
I think the meat
Mm-hmm.
and all the industry of
Yes.
animals is like drugs.
Mm-hmm.
It's a big,
Mm-hmm.
big program. You know, they make
You know why?
addicted.
Because they put also addictive into it.
Yeah,
A drug and all that inside there.
I know.
And so you eat, you know that, and then you get drunk. It's just habit, just like cigarette.
Yeah,
Cigarettes is poisonous, but when they stop it, they feel so bad, so terrible. The same with drug, you know, or alcohol.
same. Drugs,
Cerveza sin alcohol.
root beer.
I open for you.
Please. Is it cold enough? We have ice also in the ice compartment if you want ice. No. Don't you want?
Sin alcohol here.
On the wall of the glass. Okay.
Okay.
Otherwise, the frog will come all over. I prove it to you. Look.
Wow.
See that?
Understand.
Huh? And if you go more, it go all over the planet. Yeah, on the wall or slowly. And at the last one, you pour a little bit up so that it has a little frost on it. Lantern pretty. Yeah, like that. Okay. Cheers.
No, thank you. Cheers. Very
Yeah.
tasty.
You like it?
I like it.
Wonderful. You want some ice on it?
No, I'm okay. Thank you. I like it warm.
See, really?
Yeah.
Then we have warmer. You want it or it's okay?
That's okay.
Alright. You know, you don't miss anything. You know, you have meat, you like chicken there, and you have beer.
Thank you.
Zero
I need,
alcohol.
I need to know something.
Mm-hmm.
You know, in the African continent,
Yes.
there's many people.
Yes.
And it's dying
Yes, I know.
because they are hungry.
Yes, yes. The weather change and all that, you know. Make the harvest couple
I know. The next crop
next crop.
is in Africa.
Yes, so what do you want to ask me?
What do you think about it? What you want to do there?
I want them to start organic vegan farming already. I want them to let these animals that we have now die naturally. And then no more forced breeding. They're forced breeding, so we have the animals. Normally we don't have so many cows and not many pigs.
I understand.
We breed them and then we torture them. This is really inhumane. So they die naturally, and after that we just have whatever natural, you know?
Yeah.
Not like breeding thousands and thousands like that, and to spew like methane in the air and warm up the climate and everything else go with it, you know, related.
Yeah.
I don't know what are they going to do. If I were in the United Nations, I would advise all the country immediately start organic vegan. And all the subsidies that they use for the meat industry, you know,
Yeah.
extra money that the government give, just give them to turn it to vegan, organic. Yes. It's very easy.
You're so amazing.
Nobody lose anything.
No. And it works for everybody.
Yeah, it's very easy to plan organic. Oh, man, less work, less water, and less pollution for water, for air, everything. And we become healthy.
And everybody's okay. I'm sorry about that. But I want to know. And
Yeah, I'm sure.
I hope to do something, you know.
I don't know why they delay like this. It's so simple, like the nose in my face.
Yeah.
Because the United Nations, even themselves, know that the methane gas and nitrous oxide gas and other gases from animal industry are warming the climate more than all the transportation together. So why don't eliminate that cost? You see?
All right. Yeah.
It's so easy. And then use the subsidies before, tell the farmer changing to
Exactly.
organic. Yes.
And even it could be cheaper.
Of course. Of course it's cheaper and healthier for everybody and healthier for the planet. So if we kept, I told everybody, but I tell you again, you know, tonight I told you 51% is from the animals
Yeah.
gases to warm the climate. It's 51% from animal industry.
Yeah, of course.
So if we take out the animal, then we have less, 51% less. You see?
See?
And we have only 49% warming. You see? Fine. And then if we plant organic from the face of the earth on tillable land, then we absorb another 40%. Then we have 51%, 40% gone. The leftover, the trees can take care.
Yeah.
The ocean can again take care. Everything, no problem. I am a very simple person. I see things very
I see.
So why talking so much? Every year wasting
Yeah. That's the
millions of dollars just to talk.
point. And nobody does. They do nothing.
I can't believe they still say we talk again next year, if we're still alive, yes?
Yeah. Cheers. It's a pleasure to be with you.
Thank you.
No, it's a big pleasure. I mean,
Yes.
I'm trying to change the world in my way.
Yes.
I'm an artist, I'm a sculptor.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And I draw and
Oh, really?
yeah. I
Oh,
want
I like those things. Yeah.
Thank you. So, I believe in solar energy,
Mm-hmm.
and I believe in alternatives to the world.
Mm.
I want to change the world,
Yes.
and I trust in you.
Yes, yes.
You can change the world.
We can. We can if everybody changes.
I know, but I saw what you do.
What did I do?
Come on, you call that big mass of people
Oh,
to a big little reason. So that was amazing. I never saw that big people in that place.
oh, today? Oh,
Today,
That's
today,
nothing.
that was amazing.
Okay, because
Because
I
yes,
happen to be there, you know, and I have a microphone. That's why.
no,
But they
you're
do.
doing
They do
something.
listen. Huh? They did listen.
Yeah, they're
When
very
I
nice.
asked them, we're going to be there, they said yes, and wow, I'm so touched. People are not informed, you know.
Yeah, I know.
If they're informed, they change, right?
Even but myself, I don't
I
even.
also wasn't all that informed before,
Yeah,
but the more I do, the more I go into this business, the more I became informed, and then I'm alarmed. Before I eat vegetarian only because compassion for animals. So I thought it's okay. Everybody else had their choice. I can't change the world.
yeah,
At least I just don't kill animal. I don't eat animal. That's enough. But later on, I found out, oh, it's all poison for the people, and we have to inform them.
exactly.
And also now it's warming the planet because of animals. So I said, we have to inform people. But I'm only a group, you know,
No,
mostly. You
no,
know.
you're really
Do
doing
what I can.
something. You're touching people.
Yeah.
I saw it today. I mean, the people was like, "Oh, you're like a rock star or bigger." I mean, rock star is like just music.
Mm-hmm.
You're making something
Right.
to the earth, to us. You know, it's so big, so big, and I appreciate it.
Thank you.
And I thank you for that.
You're very young and idealistic, that's why, and you're open and you're noble here. That's why you understand right away.
Yeah, I understand. But
Because I
thank you,
speak
thank
the
you.
way you would speak, you see?
Yeah, but I want to change the world,
And we can do that.
and I really want to.
At least we change ourselves first.
We will.
And then, you see, when you change yourself first
Yeah,
and you go this path, and then you're strong in your belief,
you keep
then you
going
can convince
and
people.
carry on. Yeah,
Otherwise, if we don't do it, we cannot convince people. We don't have the power behind our talk, you see?
yeah. But we can keep going.
Okay. Try
Thank you. It's very tasty.
Is it? Then please eat before it's gone cold. You eat what you like, what you don't like, you leave, okay?
Mm-hmm. I want to know why the vegan people looks like you, so young.
Vegan people look so young.
Yeah,
I look young?
so young. I don't know what the age.
No, the night you don't see the wrinkles. Yes, I'm supposed to look young.
Mm-hmm.
But the thing is, I stress myself too much by working non-stop sometimes, day and night. I don't have enough time to recover. Sometimes I don't have enough time to meditate. So, don't never mind. I don't care how I look.
You look so younger. You know, you look like a 30.
Thank you very much.
No, I'm
Yeah,
serious.
okay.
I'm
Thank you.
serious.
Thank you. Is the night?
No. I saw you. I mean, your book. You
Yeah.
look so younger.
It's different. Yeah.
Mm.
I could look much younger. I could stay like 20 years old, 30, but because I work too hard. You know, as a spiritual person, I work too hard. I'm not gentle with myself. For example, you meditate, or quiet and gentle. Suddenly, I have to wake up, do things, you know, like laborers outside, totally opposite and totally two extremes.
Yeah.
And so my body is sometimes not easy to adjust. But I don't care.
No, you.
I'm working for the world.
I know. That
So I
means
don't care.
that means
Very busy.
a lot for everybody. I mean, it's the world.
Yeah,
You're making big change.
very busy sometimes.
You look so young
Thank you.
for the world.
Thank you, thank you. You're only 24 and so successful and so smart. Where do you live?
Here.
Here in Cancun?
Mhm.
Oh, lucky guy.
Mm.
I love this town.
I don't feel like that. I mean,
You don't feel you're lucky?
I'm in a good place.
Yeah?
What can I change?
And you have good job?
I like my job. I love it.
Good.
But how can I change the world here?
Start start writing about vegan environment.
Perfect.
Write as much.
I compromise myself
Yes.
to do that.
Yes, that's your job. You see, that's your mission now in life. Yes.
Perfect.
And people believe in printed words. I mean, medias are God.
It's massive.
Journalists are deities.
Massive.
Yes, it's
Even-
very influential.
We need to change something here. The restaurants here is
Oh, me.
all me.
I know.
We need to change that.
Oh, my God. Sometimes I have hope. Sometimes I feel, oh no.
Yeah, it's hard.
Depends on the day, yeah. But never mind. We'll keep doing. Keep doing. At least to save people's soul, you know.
Yeah.
If we cannot save the world, then we save ourselves at least. Saving the world is not always necessarily physical. You can save the world also mental concept change, or the soul after they leave the body. Save them, bring them to heaven. Instead, yes.
So
Because maybe we cannot change the world, but we can change the destination, the soul after they die. If you have enough spiritual power, you can rescue the world. I have only enough power right now to rescue maybe half of the planet. The soul, I mean, yeah?
yeah, I know. I understand.
Like suppose they die, I can come and guide them to heaven. That's what I mean.
Amazing.
Then at least it's better than nothing.
Mine's so
That's
high.
more important than saving the body even. Huh?
Yeah. It's a connection.
But the more I meditate, the more I will have more power. And then I can save all of them.
Beautiful.
It won't take long. I cannot promise you to save the planet. Maybe not. Maybe I can't promise. Maybe we still can if the government listens
Please.
to what I say. I wrote to all the governments on the planet.
They need to learn.
I told them what caused the global warming and how to change. I wrote to every head of the nations, including President Calderon.
Calderon.
He's a nice man.
Of course he is.
Yeah.
He's president.
Everybody is nice, it's just they're not well informed. And then now we inform them, they hesitate to change because, you know, they've been living like that all their life already.
Yeah.
And they feel difficult to change. And also, vegan food is not all available everywhere. And also people don't know that they don't have to eat so much and so fancy anything we do. I tell you honestly, when I'm here, there's a lot of food for me. When I'm at my home, nobody cooks for me. No, I mean, we have, but I don't want any. I just eat simple, you know, anything.
You know.
Meat, yes, whatever. When I travel alone, I eat just bread, and if I have bread, you know, an apple, something like that.
So simple.
Very easy, yeah. People don't know that even if they don't eat much food, still have enough nutrition and energy. If they breathe fresh air every day, they breathe deep, and then they go more in the sun, more fresh air, more into forest, walking in the park and all that. They can live. Many people don't eat and they're still alive.
Really?
Yeah. We have a program every Sunday showing the people who don't eat and who don't drink. Just now, there was one guy on our TV. Today is Sunday, we show that program. Every Sunday, we introduce one person who is still alive, a long time already, and mostly still alive. Of course, we show also past people who are not eating, you know. We call them breatharian. They live by air, yeah, and sun.
That's amazing. So,
Every Sunday you watch our TV, you see people don't eat, then still alive, huh? Like you and I, huh? I also don't have to eat, but I like to because
with no trouble, any problem?
no problem. I could also don't eat, but I like the food. I like the social atmosphere of eating together with people, you know?
I know.
I like that.
I like it too.
Otherwise, we don't really need food. And even if we need food, we don't need a lot of food to survive.
I know.
So, most people don't know that.
The first days, I'm trying to be comfy. I eat a lot of
Yeah.
times a day, you know, 6, 7 times a day.
Oh, if you like it, why not?
No, but I feel like
Too full?
empty.
Or empty?
Yeah, like I eat more and more.
Yeah, no.
But
Habit.
then my body changed and recognized the meditations
Yeah.
about
Good. Every day you came to the village, I heard, huh?
Yeah,
Did you try our food every day?
yeah,
But that's a very simple food there because just to make for people to taste, you know, not good enough for you, but never mind.
I like it. I start to eat more vegetables, different vegetables. So I meet a new fruits than before.
Yeah.
Don't know it. So
We have to
what is that?
food, all kind of food. Many of the food, eat particularly, and over there also. Guava,
Guayaba.
guayaba.
What?
Oh, in English it's guava, I think.
Guava.
Yeah. Guayaba. Mostly, we also don't need food to survive, but food is like a comfort, you know?
Really?
Also social pleasures people eat because of that. That's why we should not eat meat even, you know, because we don't need that. We don't need, even vegetarian, we don't need that much to survive.
Yeah, I feel
Don't need to eat a lot.
just enough, a little.
We can, but every fruit, everything contains thousands of nutrition in it. Enough to survive if you even just eat fruit. So we have all kind of diet on this planet. The meat diet, meat and fish and dairy and egg is a no-no if you want to elevate your energy and consciousness and more intelligent, more clear mind. And then we have so-called vegetarian. The vegetarian people, some eat vegetable, yes, but they include milk and cheese. Or some people include eggs. Yeah. But I don't think cheese and eggs are vegetable.
I don't too.
Okay.
But milk,
Yeah, milk and cheese is the same, huh?
it's animal.
Yeah, it's from
Meat.
animal. And it's okay if we treat the animals nicely, but it's very cruel the way they make milk from the animals, very cruel. They force the cow to give milk so much so that she even lose her bones. She could not even walk anymore, and then they kill her and eat, for example.
Oh,
Terrible.
yes.
Wow,
So sad.
so sad. That's just a meat diet, huh? We call animals diet. And then we have vegetarian diet, I told you already, with
Yeah.
milk and cheese.
Yeah.
or sometimes some people eggs, yeah, or sometimes both. Some people have both,
Cheese.
egg and cheese.
Milk and
Milk,
eggs.
yes. And the next one is a vegan diet. No milk, no cheese, and no egg. Completely no animal product.
Alright.
That's a vegan. And another one is an organic vegan. Mean they eat from natural grown fruit and vegetable, not fertilizer and stuff, you know?
Right.
Okay. Healthy plant, healthy food. And then they have raw vegan, mean they don't eat cooked food, okay? Alright, it's just keep
Like
going.
this.
And this is cooked food. Yes.
Yeah.
But the raw people, they eat just fresh. They eat whatever comes.
Yeah, like a
Yeah, or fruit.
directly from
Yes.
the farm.
Yeah, they don't cook the fruit. Okay. Now, and there's another one called fruitarian. They eat only fruit,
Yeah.
right? And then liquidarian. They drink only juice.
Alright.
Yes.
Liquid dry.
Yes. And then the watarian. They drink only water or clear tea.
And it works.
Works.
You can survive with only
Yes,
water.
we have evidence. We have people still alive and clinically tested, doctor observed and everything. We air them every Sunday, one person.
Alright.
Each Sunday we introduce one.
Yeah.
Yes, you can even go and meet them and learn with them to be breatharian or watarian also. Okay, right, watarian. And the next one is solarian. Solarian people live by gazing at the sun.
No.
Yes, morning, and evening. You can do also. But okay, you have to have
Like
proper,
vegetables.
yeah,
like
you have
plants.
to, yes, you have to have proper guidance. Don't just listen like this and go home do it. Okay?
Alright.
You have to find a person who knows how already, and he can teach you. Okay? Yeah. All right. That's a solarian. Live by the sun only.
Whoa.
Nothing else. Okay. And the next one is breatharian. They
No.
live by breath only, by air only.
No.
No drinking, no water, no food, nada, niente.
No.
Yes, there's one guy today on our program.
Whoa.
Yeah.
I mean, that's unbelievable.
Yeah, you go and meet them, talk to them, live with them, and then check if they eat anything.
Wow.
Yeah, you can prove it. It's not like I'm talking and then maybe they eat or something. No, they don't.
That's
I met
beautiful.
several of them. They don't eat, really. I myself meet these people.
Wow.
Yeah. Several.
How they could.
We are a miracle of the universe. We can do anything we want. Just we got stuck in the habit. Yeah, sometimes I don't eat for many weeks. I'm okay also.
Really? And no trouble.
No,
No complications.
no, feel just better.
Like the same, like.
No, feel better.
Really?
I feel better without food.
Yeah, well, I read that book that says don't eat healthy
Yeah.
because you let your organs to gonna heal
Yes.
and works.
Also yes, but
Use your energy.
you must
to-
have time. Yes. Have time, more relaxed. The way I'm working, so stressful.
Yeah. I mean, you
It's
work for
also
the world.
bad for my body, huh?
You work for the world.
Too busy. Now I'm slowing down a little bit.
Well,
Wow, you just keep talking, you don't eat. You're not hungry, huh?
no, I'm not. Well, I like. I mean, it's amazing world.
Don't worry, you can eat and talk.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate it.
Because I have time for you.
Thank you.
So you live in Cancun?
Yeah, in an apartment for 1 year.
1 year already.
Mhm.
Wow. And you work here
Mm-hmm.
as journalist or as sculptor? Or both?
Both.
That's why you can afford it. You're good. So young,
Thank you.
so good already.
No, no, no.
I'm so impressed.
No, thank you. I'm
Really?
so glad to see you and to be with you.
Really,
It's
I'm
amazing.
impressed.
Why?
So young and so independent already.
Mm.
Working and earning yourself money. So cool.
There is only way you can change the world.
Okay.
Be independent.
24 years, huh? What kind of Chinese sign are you? Like a dragon? You don't know?
Tiger.
You are tiger?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, you have another one here.
Woo! That's good.
That's why you're so idealistic. Tiger people are very idealistic.
Then I keep going.
Yes?
Yeah, I will.
Yes.
Yeah. So I change the world.
I know you will. I know you will. My driver is also a tiger.
Who?
No, not this one. He's sleeping now. He look also similar to you, but a little bit fatter. round face and bigger. Yes. He worked out or something. Yes.
Alright.
He's also a tiger. Yeah.
Tiger?
No, but he's 12 years older than you.
Alright.
But he look younger than you. He's vegan.
That's the reason why.
He look like a baby face.
Really? I tried.
Sometimes I call you
Thank you.
baby. Here you are. Food there. I eat all day already. I'm just accompanying you. I'm not hungry at all, so please eat. Huh? Don't wait for me. We have a lot more and a lot more over there.
A lot more.
Yeah.
I like mushroom. Very tasty.
Oh, please eat more.
Thank you.
Wow. So you come here to find a job, or first you have a job before you move here? Changing the world. Never mind. Don't worry.
Moving. I came here. I get a job. Now I'm here.
Just like that? Get a job just like that?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you qualify and willing, you find job anywhere, huh? I'm so glad for you.
Thank you.
I'm impressed also.
No, why?
And my driver also is very young, but he already working in business with his brother. Very good guy.
Yeah. Everybody is a good people.
Why do you speak English so good? You learn in America?
Yeah.
You went there to study?
Yeah.
Wow,
I've been there for many years.
many years.
So I learn.
Yeah? You're so capable.
I work here with many American people, so
Oh,
you learn or learn
yes.
or you learn.
Okay.
There's no other way.
Okay. Amazing. I'm glad to know some more Mexican. Otherwise, I just know the Cop 16. And I only know the police and security man. Today, I'm glad I know two normal Mexican people.
Really?
Yes. Today we had another journalist came here to
Alright.
interview me. But he also wants to change the world. And he became vegetarian after talking to me. And I believe he will go on. I give him the name of the restaurant. Did I give it on my speech today? Did I tell people about the Gopal restaurant?
Yes, you mentioned the
just
restaurant
go
at the
find
Cancun
it. I don't
Copal,
think I can
yes.
find
And
it.
the food is organic and
But I
very
don't think,
good.
no, vegan, not organic.
Very
I'm not sure.
vegan.
Yeah, but I don't think they can find it. But they will try, huh? They are Mexican, no? They can find it. Because when I first came to Cancun, I ate in that restaurant. I don't know how we found it, but they found it and then eat in there. But when I come back, I forget where it is, the address, I don't remember. But then I got a taxi and just tell him the name like that and asked for vegetarian restaurant. And then finally we found it. After driving all over downtown, No, I forgot the address again. I saved it, but then I tear it and then throw away. I didn't see. What is this?
Good question. Looks raining. Green is good, but
You smell something like banana, and then something else. Okay, let's find out. This is adventure.
let's go.
It's for you.
Thank you.
Also, yes,
Thank you.
and then you have it all. It's good that you like fruit. I'm glad.
I like it very much.
Good for you.
Thank you. It's very tasty.
You like it?
So much.
I'm so happy. You can have avocado in it. All the Mexican is in love with avocado. This is nice, huh? It's a fresh fruit.
It's very good.
Okay, please enjoy. So, what else you want to ask?
Have to stop the war.
Very easy, but they don't do it, the government.
Of course. They will not.
Originally, they included something like vegan diet, organic vegan, and then now they take it out. I don't know why.
You know why?
They say they haven't discussed or something. I asked somebody to find out why.
I want to know what can I do for help to you.
You write articles and spread the news wherever you can. Internet, whatever connection you have, tell them to do it.
All right.
You
I
know,
will.
newspaper are also very powerful.
I read.
If you know any government, president, keep telling him.
I cannot tell you right now when, but
Yes.
I know.
You try what to do. You know what to do. Do what you can. And that's all. You know, we can only do what you can, right? If you keep writing, then maybe other newspapers also start in their fashion to write about environment and vegan diet. We have tons of information, updates, facts, in our television. You can download them all free. Everything free. No right reserve, nothing. Just download them. Then use them for your articles with all the facts, And if you need any more detail or something, you can write to us, to the SupremeMasterTV.com.
Of course.
Correspondent, and then they help you to find some more.
Very good. Amazing.
Yes, you are in the right position to help.
Thank you.
I'm
Thank
so
you.
glad.
I mean,
Yeah.
it's my
I
intention.
love Mexico, my God.
Yeah, I love it too. It's amazing.
Today there was a journalist, he also vowed to help, and you are another one.
There are so many places, so beautiful. So,
Yeah.
mm,
Just that half of your country is a desert now. Because 30 years ago, the government allowed to cut forests. They know it's a mistake now. Your president, at least he mentioned something like methane gas came from animal product. We have to reduce it. He's the only one who say that.
he will know.
Yeah, he knows. In the whole COP, I hardly hear anybody mention it, just now and then. And he's a president, and he say that, and he's very brave,
Should talk with him. He's a very good person. I mean, he's president.
Yes. He's a good man.
Mm-hmm.
You look like, At least he mentioned about methane gas, We have to stop methane, because methane is warming up the planet more than CO2. And he said we stop it.
We will explode.
Yeah,
Like, bang.
it's from animal.
Yeah, we need to stop that.
Yeah,
I saw a video
yeah,
called Home.
yes.
So it
Yeah,
so sad.
sad. Another one.
I cry with
Earthling. Yeah, if you're sensitive, you cannot bear it.
so hard to. I mean,
Except to look.
did you see the big beauties of the world?
Mm-hmm.
And we are destroying it.
I know,
We are just
I know,
messing around with.
I know. And then,
Feels so bad.
it's just so sad.
Mm.
You love food, huh?
Mhm.
You want some more?
Mm.
I cut some more for you. Oh, that's enough. You eat it. Okay, maybe I will just this one because I like the smell.
It's
Very
very
nice.
perfume.
Where do your parents live?
My mother's in Mexico City.
Yes?
Yeah.
And father?
He is in Spain, I think so. Yeah, he's working now.
In Spain?
Yeah.
Wow. So far?
Yeah. I have a brother.
Yeah?
Yeah, he's younger than me. He's
How many?
19,
Mm-hmm.
becoming 20.
One brother.
Yeah,
Wow.
I love him.
Mm-hmm.
It's pretty good.
Yeah.
So serious,
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
quiet.
Wow. Because the father is not home, so you all become more grown up,
Yeah, I think
more
so.
mature, quick,
Yeah,
more serious.
very serious. Very, he's a very good person.
What newspaper are you writing for now?
No, I write for
Many? Whatever?
whatever. But right now I'm working for Korea. You know, the team who organized everything. The event.
Event? Oh,
You was there. That
yeah?
they work for Televisa, the big company of this country. So everything I have, I give it to him, and they publish.
Okay.
So that's how it works.
Very good. I'm so glad you have such a good job.
Yeah, me too.
I love Cancun, you know, right?
Mm-hmm.
But normally, whenever I come, I don't feel like staying long. I couldn't wait to leave. But this time was so difficult for me to leave.
Stay.
I had to change my airplane.
Stay.
What for? I'm not sure if I could stay, you know. What do I do here?
Change the world.
Change the world? Change Cancun? Wow, all the
Keep it like
hotels.
this. Keep it beautiful.
All the hotel with all the meat and restaurant. I'm just more reminded of my frustration when I see all that.
Well, this place is like a big tourist center. So you can touch people.
Oh, you're right.
You can change the world.
Maybe, huh?
Yeah,
Okay.
I think so.
You guarantee my success? Okay. My God. Thank you for your devotion. Even if Cancun is not a success, you have been a success. All of you.
Thank you.
They have been a success. They're very good.
Yeah, he's a very good person.
They're all good persons.
He's so smart.
Yeah. Yeah, he is nice and calm. Huh?
Yeah.
How did you find him? Come here. Sit down, tell me the story of humankind. All of the information that you want to know about saving the world, you please download from the Supreme Master Television.
Of course.
First, you inform
will.
yourself more about all the facts about why the world is going down. And then inform yourself of the facts scientifically how to save it. You see?
Yeah.
And then you can write articles. Your pen is powerful. You know it?
I know.
One of the powerful tools.
The mediums is
Yes. Please keep
so
writing.
powerful. I know.
Keep
that.
writing. Yes. And whoever you know, influence them. Tell them.
Yeah.
Or give them your article. Tell them to read it. How did you find this guy?
Oh, and just in front of the concert.
So late already,
Yeah.
and he's still there?
Yeah.
I love my work.
Yeah?
It's just that you.
I love my work, so I was there.
You were in the concert?
Yeah.
You're working there?
Yeah.
What are you doing there?
Taking pictures, organizing.
Oh, my God. Yeah, I'm glad. Roy is lucky, huh? We're lucky. This time, very difficult for me to leave Cancun. I'm supposed to leave today already, and I changed my airplane ticket. And I'm supposed to leave tomorrow, and I want to change again. I feel so bad about the 24 journalists. I don't want to leave them with this impression. I will feel unfinished.
I know how I feel.
I will feel like I have not done right. Even if it's not my fault, but I don't feel right to leave them just like that. You know what I mean? I do hope to see them again, and don't know. The thing is, everything arranged, you know, like hotel until tomorrow only, right? But we could book more, huh? We could reserve a few more days, but it could be okay, right?
Yes.
I don't feel good living with journalists in a stick. It's It's terrible.
It's not your fault. It's not your fault.
I know that. It's not about fault or not. It's about how they feel that I'm
Alright.
concerned. Yeah.
Like, they think about you.
I don't want them to feel so disrespected and neglected and
Yes.
left aside like this. You know, like they don't exist. My God, I have so much respect for journalists. That's why in the morning you have to try to find quickly all of these people who came, the other guy promised or the girl, whoever. At least I invite them for a meal or something, even if no interview. I want them to feel that they are very much respected and welcome. That's all there was. And even we interview, even if they want to interview, still, it's even much better for the world, you see? Because they spread the news.
Exactly.
Yeah, you never know how many people they help by their article.
To spread
Yeah,
buzz.
yeah. And then from that article, some people help, and then that some people help somebody, and that other some people help, and maybe other newspaper also learn and want to write the same. And who
Voice and
knows?
voice and voice.
And the chain effect is long.
Exactly.
But even without that, you know, even if they don't write any more article for me or they don't interview nothing about climate change, I still want to make it feel right.
You will know about it.
Tell you what, I have to stay at least a few more days until we settle this, okay? I have to see all of them. Interview or not interview, I have to see them. And make it right, okay? Even don't interview, don't write article, nothing. I just want to make them feel respected the way they deserve, okay? Because like this, I never wish it on anybody. If I am a journalist, I would not feel good at all. In the morning, you and the lady try to find them, okay? This is the one she invited.
This is the one. This is the one we invite. The one
The
that.
lady?
Yes.
Yeah, I didn't even talk to her. I just said hello, but it's nothing. My God. I feel so sad. I keep telling him, do something. Oh, I cannot bear this. I feel so sad. I haven't felt so sad for a long time.
No.
I truly feel bad. I'm very sensitive about other people's feeling.
Yeah, I know.
You understand? Suppose they don't care, or maybe they used to with bad treatment, but I don't want to be one of the bad
Exactly.
treatment that they have to remember that.
Yeah.
Please,
The first pressure.
Yes. I have to rebook the hotel and I probably have to change the airplane ticket until I set this right. I cannot just go like this. I love to go, but I can't. This is not good. Okay? I will never forget this. If I left, I would never forgive and forget. You know, I never forgive myself, or I would never be able to just forget it, no problem. I cannot. You know what I mean? First they came on time and then we are late and then we don't talk to them. First I thought come for interview, and then when I come for all people and then they put me on the stage and I thought, okay, maybe the journalists just come take photo, write a few words and go. But later I feel it's not right. I asked them, they want to interview.
Exactly.
Oh,
They
it's
want to
terrible.
talk with you.
Yeah, I know, it's terrible.
To meet you.
Oh man.
But don't worry, maybe
No, I
it
do
will
worry.
change.
I do worry. Do you know any of them? Okay, which one do you know?
I
There was
know
one
lot
young
of
man with you nearby or not? No.
Young men, no, but young girls.
Young girls?
Yeah.
Which one? No, the journalist.
10, gonna list the channel 10.
Challenge.
Oh, you know her?
Yeah, I know.
Could you please ask her to come back? Not now, but I mean,
I think you need to meet somebody.
who?
I give him a name.
Yes.
She has a big
Oh,
foundation.
that's also another television. She came also tonight?
No, she's in Cancun already. She has a big foundation for, it's named Love for Life.
Okay.
She helps childhood. you
Yes.
know. He is a beneficent
Understand.
company. you know.
Yeah. Okay, what's the name of this paper that we have today?
La verdad.
Yeah, is that the one?
Yeah, that's
Oh,
right.
okay.
Yeah.
They interview us and they wrote very nice thing today. She
Right.
wrote it today or yesterday.
It's his name Miguel Canton.
Oh, yes. They already
He's
did
the
interview.
owner. Yeah.
Yes.
All right. He's the
And
owner.
wrote very nice thing. Now there was a couple other newspaper also very nice.
Yes.
Wrote very nice stuff.
Okay. Well.
They did already automatic.
Yeah.
You
it's-
got-
Well,
Yeah.
she's my friend.
Oh,
He's
wonderful.
my friend, so
Yeah. Okay, if they want to write more, it's okay. Can interview me. But the thing is, or maybe we just write one article and then send it to our newspaper and syndicate, like.
Yes.
Or you write it and you give out to the other newspaper.
yeah, I can.
Okay, you find out these two people, okay? So you don't know the other two. The lady, a little bit like 40 years old, and another man similar your age.
I
Small.
think.
Too
Don't worry
much.
about that. I try.
Oh, you know him?
I try to help you.
Wonderful, please, to ease my heart, because
Yeah.
I will never forgive myself if I go and leave people feeling neglected like this.
No.
They don't deserve it. Do you
I know.
understand me?
Understand.
They deserve more respect.
Exactly.
Yes, and more welcome, especially when you invite him. Then you
Yeah.
let him stand in there.
Exactly.
Just because I did not know, not I invited. I did not know anything. I did not know anything until 5:30, and then I had to go quickly. I said, "You're joking?"
Fast.
You know, and then change and then run. You know, my driver driving like mad.
It's too late.
Oh my God. And then when I got there, I expect that, okay, I call on the phone and said, please wait for me. I thought only 2-3 journalists wait for me, interview like normal, you know, in a,
Yeah.
sit on a table or something, writing. But when I came, I'm overwhelmed by the different arrangement. And then another speaker come in, 6 white angels sitting there. I don't know what's going on. And then I thought, okay, maybe this journalist waiting for me to come just to take a photo with that
Yeah.
and then report it. But I did not even know their arrangement like that. I thought only you or 2-3 men waiting.
Exactly.
And then because of the overwhelming people, I thought you just came and wait for me, just take a photo with
Yeah,
the
just-
people and then come and say, oh, Qinghai has a party tonight, 200 people, you know what I mean? Like other newspapers.
Not like the real information
Yeah,
that
like,
you want.
yes. Okay. So, because I thought like that, so I did not come and talk to you guys. I thought it's just like the
No.
Lavada. They did not interview me, nothing. They just came, take my picture with that, and then they go home, write article.
All right.
Because when I come and see a lot of people, I thought you do exactly the same. That's why I don't come and talk to you. You see what I mean? And or the man or the woman. Because I thought you just come do like la vida.
Exactly.
And then afterwards I find out that you want to interview me, for example. And I said, no, I did not even talk to you.
I was there, but I couldn't help.
Yeah,
I
you
couldn't
see.
talk to you because there
Yeah.
was so many people.
Yes. Oh, this
That was so hard, but I'm so glad to be
Yes.
with you right
But I
now.
have to tell them, at least, even if they don't interview me, I want them to know that it wasn't like that. It's not like I neglect them or ignore them. It's not. I don't care how many people around me. If I know that they came for me just to interview them, I would just give them time first. I would not just let them stand in there like this.
Like a rock star.
Yeah.
You are. You're so
Oh,
big rock star.
no. I'm never big enough to neglect people like this,
You're making
to
something.
ignore people like this, huh?
You're making something big. So
Thank you. No matter what, I don't have excuse to leave, to just invite a journalist and then leave them standing there.
yeah, exactly.
Even if not, I know invite, but my people, it's no good.
Can I ask you something?
Please.
I want you to sign my book.
Okay, sure.
You sign.
I will do it.
The-
Do anything for you, because to make up for you.
I read this book really, like so much.
You did read it, huh? Okay, I will. This is Spanish version or it's not, huh? English. But people still like it, huh?
Yeah, very much.
Listen. Okay. Left version, left you. One enough or you want this also?
Please, please.
My God, why you don't know my name?
Thank you so much.
I thank you. And here I don't have room there, so I write it there. Love you and veg. And love veg.
I love it. I love it too.
Okay. Thank you so much. Please help him to find that guy and
Of
that
course, I
girl.
will.
Yes.
Awesome. Very big pleasure.
Okay.
Can I give you a kiss?
So sure. Love you so much. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thanks for all this love.
No, no, it's my pleasure.
Okay, I know.
Thank you.
I know. Chocolate
Chocolate.
cakes. Mexican.
Oh, I love cakes.
Outside.
I love cake.
Yeah. And non-alcoholic beer.
Ooh,
So for
lovely.
today, you know how, where to drink and what.
And my
okay?
books.
Yeah. Okay, then.
Thank you very much.
I'm impressed. Okay, your goodness.
Thank you.
Welcome to the vegetarian family. The animal will bless you more and more now. No, they always bless the same, it's just you will receive more because you're purer.
I know.
Okay, baby, ciao. Another kiss.
Thank you.
All the best for you.
For you too.
Really change the world.
During her stay in Cancun, Supreme Master Ching Hai was invited to share her thoughts on priority climate change measures with the media, among which was Agence France Presse. As the world's first international news agency, AFP has 1,400 staff journalists and 700 freelancers in 165 countries worldwide, including 24 countries in Latin America. We now invite you to listen to the following interview with Supreme Master Ching Hai by AFP in Cancun, Mexico on December 13th, 2010.
Veronica, nice to know you.
Master Ching Hai. I was wondering what time do you have to eat, to meditate? When do you have time for that?
Whenever. Whenever time, even 5 minutes.
So I see you have a lot of work.
Yes.
What time do you have for your rest?
Yes. I do have a lot of work, but I work very fast.
Tengo mucho trabajo, pero trabajo muy rápido.
I don't just work like from 8 to 5. I do whenever the job finished. And I try to balance, you know. When I know that I'm low, then I must go recharge quick.
No trabajo de 8 a 5, sino trabajo lo más que puedo. Y cuando siento que estoy baja, me voy a recargar.
Yes. And if I have time, then I meditate all day, all night. If I don't have time, then I meditate in the night.
Y si tengo tiempo, medito todo el día y toda la noche. Pero si no tengo tiempo, medito solo en la noche.
Whenever I have time, even 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, try to always remember God.
Cuando sé que tengo tiempo, ya sean 10 minutos, 5 minutos, siempre que puedo recuerdo a Dios, trato de recordar a Dios.
Yes. If I don't have work to do in the world, I think I just do all day, all night meditate because that's the best time for me, the most enjoyable and happy.
Si no tengo ningún trabajo que hacer, entonces medito todo el día porque es lo que más disfruto hacer. And what about your animals, your dogs, your bears? You have bears, you have dogs, you have cats?
Yeah. I used to have cat, but she's already gone back to heaven. So now I have dogs and birds.
Solía tener gatos, pero ya se ha ido al cielo, entonces ahora nada más tengo perros y aves.
But I also have outside birds and squirrels and wild cats. They come to my house, and we always have food for them, ready in the garden.
Pero también tengo perros de afuera y ardillas y también gatos salvajes y siempre tengo comida para ellos en el jardín. ¿Cuándo fue que usted comenzó? Sé que empezó muy pequeña, ¿no? Pero ¿cuándo sintió la iluminación o cuándo alcanzó la iluminación?
I know you started from very young age, very tender age, but when did you feel enlightenment?
About when I was in the Himalaya.
Cuando estuve en los Himalayas.
Yes.
Please tell us about the experience.
Just the beginning, like that. Yes. I just went to Himalaya and searched all over for different masters, and finally I met one. Actually, he found me. And then I meditated with him for a while, and then in a cave. And I really felt then that I knew something. Not everything, but a lot of things.
Fue al principio en los Himalayas, anduve por todas partes buscando un maestro y luego lo encontré, bueno, él me encontró a mí y entonces después de un tiempo de meditar con él en la cueva fue cuando sentí que realmente sabía algo.
I felt true connection with the divine within us.
Sentí una conexión verdadera con lo divino dentro de nosotros.
And how can we, all the rest of the people, find this connection?
Oh,
¿Cómo podemos encontrar nosotros el resto de esta gente esta conexión?
easy.
Fácil.
The most difficult is to find the one who can show you.
Lo más difícil es encontrar a aquel a quien te pueda enseñar.
Yes, sometimes that person is in Himalaya, sometimes he is in the supermarket, sometimes he is your neighbor.
Algunas veces esa persona está en los Himalayas o en el supermercado o es tu vecino.
It depends.
It can be anyone.
It can be anyone if that person is already connected with the divine, with God, with heaven, or with Buddha nature.
But how many people can be connected?
Puede ser cualquier persona conectada con Dios, con lo divino, con la naturaleza búdica.
How many? Oh, a lot, millions of them.
¿Cuántos? Millones, muchos millones de ellos.
So from that period or from that occasion to today, what have you been done?
What have I been doing?
Yeah,
Yes,
what
yes.
have you done?
First, I enjoy myself. A short time in Himalaya, and I did not want to go down. But then God told me I have to go down to help others who are not yet connected and who suffer the emptiness of not knowing their real self.
Primero me disfruté un tiempo y luego no quería bajar, pero Dios me dijo que bajara para explicar a ellos que no estaban en contacto con su ser verdadero.
Then I just go down and I did not even know what to do, and people really found me. Yeah.
Y entonces bajé y no sabía realmente qué hacer, pero la gente verdaderamente me encontró.
At least 3 times I was discovered. And then there's no stop anymore after that.
Por lo menos me descubrieron en 3 ocasiones y no se ha detenido desde entonces después de eso.
I just meditate in a small place behind the temple, and people just come and say that they have vision, that they have to come and find me. It was a very rainy day, time, like almost a typhoon and everything.
Solamente estaba meditando calladamente en un templo y entonces unas personas vinieron porque tuvieron una visión de que tenían que encontrarme. Había como un tifón, como una tormenta.
But that was not the first time.
Pero esa no fue la primera vez.
The first time was in India.
La primera vez fue en India.
I was just walking around like everybody else, and then somebody wanted to read my hand.
Estaba caminando como cualquiera en las calles y una persona quiso leer mi mano.
Yeah, I just walked by and he said, I want to look at your hand.
Iba pasando y me dijo, yo quiero ver tu mano.
Because he saw light around me.
Porque vio luz alrededor de mí.
I said, I don't believe in hand reading.
Y le dije, yo no creía en que me leyera la mano.
I was young and carefree, and I said, I don't believe in fortune teller and stuff.
Ya sabes, era joven y descuidada y yo no creía en nadie que leyera la fortuna.
And I told him I have just a little money enough just to live. I don't have money extra for fortune telling. I don't believe anyway.
Y le dije, tengo apenas suficiente dinero para vivir, no tengo dinero para que me lean la fortuna.
So
y no
said,
creo en eso de todos modos.
I said, no, it will be my privilege to read your hand. I just want to read your hand. Free of charge.
Me dijo, no, sería mi privilegio leer tu mano, será sin costo.
So he read my hand and he told me that I am almost like a Buddha.
Y entonces leyó mi mano y me dijo que soy casi como un Buda.
mean almost complete enlightened, something like that.
Quiso
Almost,
decir,
yes.
quiso decir algo como completamente iluminado.
Yeah. And then everybody want to learn from me. I said, no, I'm just here for learning myself.
Y entonces todo el mundo quiso aprender de mí. Dijo, no, sí estoy asustada de aprender por mí misma.
So I run back to my hut,
Entonces corrí a mi choza.
Yeah.
You were not so sure.
Was just a baby,
Solo un bebé.
a baby Buddha, maybe.
Bebé Buda, quizás.
Yes. I know things, but I had no expectation to be. At that time, I was still in India, and still meditating and enjoying, until God told me to get out of here.
En ese tiempo estaba en India, sabía cosas, pero no tenía expectativas.
Yes.
Entonces estuve en India hasta que Dios me dijo que tenía que salir.
Also, I did not intend to be master or anything at that time. I was young, almost 30, walk around again, just looking around, eating chapatis and curry. Did not think much of anything.
En ese entonces no tenía la intención de ser maestra, nada más iba por allí comiendo chapati, disfrutando.
Yeah, I'm still thinking. You have a concept about what a master should be, When since you were young, everybody told me Buddha is like this, Jesus like that, and you still have that concept with you, even after enlightenment.
You don't have that concept anymore?
No.
And you believe in the
understand now.
fortune teller?
I will come back to that. I come back to that, yes.
En ese entonces uno crece con la expectativa, desde que uno es niño te dicen Buda debe ser así, Buda debe ser así. Entonces yo todavía tenía eso dentro de mí.
To answer your question, did I think I was a big master or anything? I probably was just a baby Buddha, Yes.
Y para contestar tu pregunta tengo que decirte que yo apenas era un Buda bebé.
Yes. Even now I don't have a concept of grandeur or anything. I just know what I know. I know what heaven let me know. Okay?
Incluso ahora no tengo ningún concepto grandioso, simplemente sé lo que sé y lo que el cielo me deja hacer.
I do what heaven's will.
Y hago la voluntad del
Okay.
cielo.
Now come back to the fortune teller.
Ahora de regreso con el que dice la fortuna.
Because of him, a lot of people want to come learn with me.
Debido a él, muchas personas quisieron venir a aprender conmigo.
He said, I am going to be very great in the world. I'm going to be Buddha-like. I'm going to save a lot of people.
Dijo que yo iba a ser muy grande en el mundo, que iba a ser como Buda y que iba a salvar a mucha gente.
So everybody heard that around me, Indian, a lot of people all the time, everywhere. And they hear that and they all want to come to learn with me.
Y mucha gente escuchó eso, ya sabes, en India todos están por ahí, entonces escucharon y quisieron venir conmigo.
But I run away, I run away.
Pero me escapé.
Okay, but then one person follow me, all the way and say, Master, you must teach me. I want to learn with you. You cannot refuse,
Pero entonces una persona me siguió y me dijo, maestra, tengo que aprender contigo, por favor, no te puedes negar.
The reason was that because the day before he also saw me that I say about something, like I went into the bookshop and I asked for a book and they say they don't have that book.
La razón para eso es porque él me había visto antes, fue a una librería y pidió un libro y le dijeron que no tenían ese libro.
And he's the owner of that bookshop.
Y él era el propietario de esa librería.
Yeah, or co-owner, yeah, something like that.
O el copropietario, algo así.
But I said, you have that book, you have it
Pero
in
yo,
your
le dije,
bookshop.
pero yo le dije, usted lo tiene en su librería.
I said, I saw that book in your shop.
Yo le dije, he visto ese libro en su librería.
And I described how the books look like and what the color and what color of the word of the book and what color of the cover of the book.
Y describió,
And how big.
y describió el libro, cómo era, los colores y cómo estaba impresa la letra y qué tan grande era y cómo era ese libro.
I said, we don't have it.
Y entonces me dijo, no, realmente no lo tenemos.
Yeah. But then the next morning he told me, we found it. We really had it, but in the store we did not know. It already arrived. Somebody put it there. We did not know. How did you know? I said, I don't know. I saw it in your bookshop, so I wanted to buy.
Y entonces al día siguiente que lo encontró me dijo, sí lo tenemos, verdaderamente lo tenemos, pero en la librería no sabíamos que lo teníamos. ¿Cómo supiste que estaba? Y yo le dije, bueno, es que yo lo vi en la librería.
So he thinks that I am somebody, who sees things that is not even obvious,
Y entonces él pensó que yo era alguien que veía cosas que incluso no eran obvias,
hidden in the storeroom, you know.
escondidas en alguna...
Even they don't know that they had.
Incluso ellos no sabían que lo tenían.
Yes, maybe some friend, you know, help him to bring it there, but he wasn't there, and other people not there, so they didn't know. Okay, so he insists that I'm a Buddha, and then he wanted to learn with me.
Quizás unos amigos lo llevaron y yo no sabía que lo tenía, pero bueno, como quiera, él insistió en que quería venir conmigo.
So at that time, I had no idea that I'm, you know, can be a master or not. I told you I'm just a baby, just learn just a year or something, run around and just get enlightened recently. You know, you thought it's just a vision and you know something, but I did not think much. So I didn't know how to teach him. I said, okay, I think about it, but I say to him, okay, tomorrow in the morning, 4 o'clock in the morning, if you can come to my place. Yeah, so in a hut, a small mud house in the other side of the Ganges River. He live on this side on the Ganges, I live on the other side of Ganges River. I say right now it's dark, I have to go home first. Tomorrow morning, 4 o'clock, in the other side, over there. If you come on time, I teach you.
Pero entonces yo no sabía en ese entonces cómo ser maestra, a lo mejor que tenía nada más un año aprendiendo eso, entonces realmente no sabía cómo enseñarle, entonces yo le dije, bueno, está bien, ven a mi cabaña, era una casa de tierra, le dije, bueno, ven mañana a mi casa a las 4 de la mañana, él vivía de un lado del Ganges y yo del otro, entonces le dije, ahora ya es oscuro, pero mañana ven y si llegas a tiempo está bien.
Because I know from his house, so over there I need to go by boat. No boat at 4 o'clock, at 3:30 in the morning, no boat.
Porque yo sabía...
Big water, no boat to go. Even you pay, they cannot go because big water at that time, turbulent. Yes.
Porque yo sabía que a esa hora no había ningún bote, a las 3 de la mañana no iba a haber nada, entonces incluso si aún así lo pudieras pagar, no se iba a poder porque el agua estaba turbulenta, estaba alta la marea.
Yeah, and I thought, well, but if he comes, it's a divine order for him, you know. Then I will teach him.
Y pensé, bueno, pero si viene entonces es una orden divina para él y entonces le enseñaré.
He came.
Llegó.
And did you decide to?
No, he went all the way many kilometers long to get the bridge, to cross and then go back all the way many kilometers long to meet me.
Porque entonces él caminó muchos kilómetros para irse por el puente y luego regresó. Caminó muchos kilómetros para ir de regreso.
I had to.
Entonces tenía.
So it was the first.
The first, yes.
And your fears?
I didn't fear, I just didn't think that
No temí nada en ese entonces, pero nada más.
I didn't think I'm ready to teach. I thought I must strengthen more my enlightenment power. Did not even think of teaching yet.
No me sentía no pensé en enseñar porque sentía que todavía tenía que fortalecer.
I want to know if you need to teach, that is your mission, that is your necessity.
No, it is
Ahora
because God told me I have to do it.
Porque Dios me dijo que tengo que hacerlo.
Okay, so for how long?
Forever. When?
For how many?
Forever.
Por lo que sé.
For when until He tell me stop.
Hasta que Él me diga que me detenga.
Okay, and how is the way? It's an easy way, it's not easy, it's un camino
Very easy.
It's a very easy road or it's a very risky,
Very
rocky
easy.
road. Muy sencillo.
You look at her. You look at him.
Míralos a ellos.
Look at that guy there.
Mira aquel chico de allá.
Yes, your countrymen, many of them
Tus
practice this.
compatriotas, muchos de ellos practican esto.
They just look better every day.
But it's not only eat, it's
Just vegetarian,
an attitude.
vegan, that's it.
Es el vegano nada más.
No eating anything that concerning the death of other or suffering of other beings, you know, animals or men.
No comer nada que conlleve el sufrimiento o muerte de otros seres, ya sea animales o hombres.
And of course, we have to be an honest person. Yes, we have to be loyal to our family, the husband, wife. Husband loyal to wife, wife loyal to husband. And take care of family, perfect. And be a good citizen of the country. Yes, and contribute anything you want, anything you can to the world.
Y por supuesto tenemos que ser honestos, el esposo tiene que ser leal a su esposa, la esposa a su esposo, cuidar de la familia y por supuesto ser un ciudadano bueno que contribuya con su planeta.
Not contribute to me, no, you do what you do privately.
No contribuir conmigo, sino tú haces lo que tienes que hacer
Not to me,
privadamente.
I take nothing.
No hacia mí, yo no tomo nada.
Not one penny from you, nada, never. Nunca, nunca.
Ni un centavo de ti, nunca tomo nada, nunca.
I earn my own money.
Yo gano mi propio
I
dinero.
make jewelry like this, for example, clothes.
Yeah, you design.
Yeah, design yourself. Yes.
Design
Diseño y
clothes,
Yeah, clothes also.
jewelry.
Yeah,
What
jewelry,
else?
yes. Interior
Design,
decoration,
decoración interior,
painting,
pintura,
poetry,
poesía,
songs.
canciones.
Yeah.
All these artist activities.
Yes. And I earn enough money,
Y gano suficiente dinero,
more than enough.
más que suficiente.
So I can travel, I can help the poor people
De modo que puedo ayudar, puedo viajar para ayudar a la
as
gente
much as
pobre,
my capacity allow.
tanto como me permita mi capacidad.
Okay, I see a big capacity. No, you have too much work. You work too hard, and you have too many people
Yes,
with you.
yes.
Why is that? Why you have so many people?
It's just growing.
Porque simplemente
They
va
just
creciendo,
come.
solamente llegan.
Yeah, because I feel that I really help them inside. They're growing, they're happy, they know God, and they just like to say thank you whenever they see me, or just to look at me because they love me. That's all. There's no obligation to do anything for me.
Quizás porque sientan agradecimiento, porque crecen, porque se sienten muy contentos, entonces les gusta verme, les gusta estar conmigo y llegan, les gusta agradecerme eso.
Just natural. Nobody
Es
tell
solo,
them.
es solo natural, nadie les dice.
Sometimes also too much. I say, why? Just go home.
Algunas veces también es demasiado, les digo, pero ¿por qué vayan a casa?
Yeah, but I love them also. I have to let them see sometimes, you know.
Pero también los amo, entonces algunas veces tengo que dejarlos ver.
But then sometimes then we go home. I love them, so they go home, love their family.
Entonces algunas veces también tengo que se vayan a casa. Ellos también tienen que amar a la familia. Los amo y tienen que amar a su familia.
Yes. Sometimes they come to ask some question. Yeah.
Algunas veces vienen a preguntar algo.
New people, maybe some question to ask about spiritual progress.
La gente nueva quizás tiene alguna pregunta de progreso espiritual.
Like they have vision of Jesus, and Jesus tell them something. And they ask me, is that real? Or what are they going to do? Something like that, for example. Yeah.
Como por ejemplo tienen una visión de Jesucristo y entonces vienen y me preguntan si es real o qué van a hacer. Como por ejemplo eso.
In beginning, yeah?
Al principio, sí.
Later they just know everything themselves.
Luego ya saben todo ellos mismos.
So if they come to see me, just because they love me, just like you want to see your baby, your child, a boy, because you love him.
Y entonces vienen a verme solo porque me aman, así como tú te gusta ver a tu niño.
You
pequeño.
ask her why she want to come see me. You ask her. You go, I don't.
Ella, ¿por qué vienes a ver? Because I love her.
That's the answer. Everybody say the same stuff.
If you can say a message to the Mexican people, what it will be?
I said, please go back to your ancestors' tradition of healthy diet.
Les diría, por favor, vuelvan a su tradición ancestral de una dieta saludable.
Ancestors eat a lot of corn, beans, vegetable, frutas, all natural.
Lo ancestral es comer muchos maíz, frijol, vegetales y frutas, todo natural.
Only later we have some undesirable influence from other people. Then we begin to taste the meat. And that's how we have a lot of trouble and disaster and diseases from that.
Solamente fue después cuando tuvimos una mala influencia de otras personas y probamos la carne, y fue así como tuvimos muchos desastres y enfermedades después de eso.
Yes. Even some first time European people come here, or Spanish people come here. The first ever come to America, for example. Yes. And the people there also like people here. They offer them, they write in their diary that they offer them a lot of corn meals and a lot of vegetable and all that. They never mention that they have been offered meat or anything like that. Corn, they have a lot, and vegetable.
Incluso los primeros españoles, los primeros europeos que llegaron a América, incluso tienen escritos en sus diarios que les ofrecieron muchos vegetales, mucho maíz, muchas cosas saludables. Nunca mencionan que les hayan ofrecido carne, sino maíz.
Okay.
So we have to return.
Return to the ancestry wisdom of the Mayan, of the Aztec, of the real Mexican lineage, noble lineage.
Así que tenemos que regresar a las costumbres ancestrales de los mayas, de los aztecas, de los mexicanos verdaderos, de la sabiduría verdadera mexicana.
And remember God
Y recordar a Dios
in your heart all the time.
en su corazón todo el tiempo.
So when you die, angels will come and bring you to God.
Para que cuando mueran los ángeles vengan por ustedes y los lleven hacia Dios.
Because whomever you love, there will be attraction to each other.
Y a quien quiera que ustedes amen, habrá atracción de uno hacia otro.
If you love God, you'll be attracted, and God will be attracted. And
Si tú amas a
meet
Dios,
each other at the end.
si tú amas a Dios, Dios te atraerá y tú te atraerás a Dios y se reunirán al final.
And remember, God makes animals to help us, to bless us, to be our friends, not to be our victims.
Y recuerden, Dios hizo los animales para ser nuestros amigos, para ayudarnos, no para ser nuestras víctimas.
Okay, it's a beautiful message.
Thank you. I love your country very much, from my heart.
Amo muchísimo tu país desde mi corazón.
I think your country has very good tradition. That's why the people are still very pure, very simple and pure.
Creo que tu país tiene muy buenas tradiciones, por eso creo que esa gente es muy pura, muy simple y pura.
I will pray they stay that way.
Y oro porque permanezcan de ese modo.
Yes, stay together and find a solution together.
Encuentren juntos una solución.
Yes. Economic gain is not everything.
La ganancia económica no lo es todo.
No, but it seems to be, you know.
Because they look too much at television illusion like America has everything. It's not always true. Advertisement is always different than the true things. The Americans are good, but they must work very hard also for their possession. And some of them, if they lost things a lot. If they lost something, lost job, they lost everything, almost everything, sometimes.
Los americanos son muy buenos, pero tienen que trabajar mucho por sus posesiones. Entonces, si pierden su trabajo, lo pierden todo algunas veces.
You see, the Mexican who like to go to America, it could be that, according to Buddhist tradition, could be the last life they were there. So they're trying to go back home.
Así que puede ser que los mexicanos que les gusta ir a los Estados Unidos por la tradición budista, puede ser que hayan estado ahí la última vida, entonces quieren regresar a casa.
Yeah, but they don't understand that home is different now.
Pero ellos no entienden que su casa es diferente ahora.
Yes. So wherever we feel loved, then we should stay there. That's where God wants us to be.
Así que donde sea que nos sintamos bienvenidos, ahí debemos de estar, porque es donde Dios quiere que estemos.
Yes.
Where there is love, when you feel love.
Yes. And if you can go to America, legally, normally, easily, then go. Yes, why not?
Yeah, without no risk.
Yes.
Entonces, si puedes ir a América de manera legal, de manera sencilla, entonces ve.
Yes, so just please do not risk your precious life for anything you think that might be good, but might not be good.
Pero por favor no arriesgues tu vida por algo que tú pienses que puede ser que sea bueno, pero quizás no sea bueno.
And just wait, maybe one day, the border is no more and like the wall of Berlin, and we'll be one country or just freely traveling.
Y entonces espera por un día que quizás no haya fronteras, por ejemplo como el muro de Berlín, entonces puedan ir y venir libremente.
Yes, at least like Europe, before every few kilometers you have to show your passport, visa, and now you travel from one end of Europe to another and nobody asks nada, no checkpoint, nothing, no police, no one.
Claro. Entonces quizás pudiéramos ser como Europa. Al principio uno tenía que mostrar su pasaporte cada unos cuantos kilómetros, pero ahora puedes viajar desde un extremo hasta otro extremo de Europa libremente y nadie te pide nada.
Yes, a decade ago it wouldn't be possible, unthinkable.
Hace 10 años hubiera sido imposible, impensable.
Yes. Let's go take the kids up here and we have some dinner with him.
Yeah, thank you.
How old is your kid?
He's 5 years old.
Okay, very good. Oh, this is before I forget. Here, ma, before I forgot, madam.
Sorry.
This is yours. Chocolates and stuff. These are cookies homemade for your child. Okay, chocolate for you and cookies for you.
Luca from Plaza Sésamo Lucas is the monster with cookies all the time. No, well, my boy like Lucas. He eats cookies all the time.
She's all vegan. Yes, and you're even chocolate vegan. Don't forget. Yeah, I give you now before I forget. Yeah, okay.
So we're here again.
Maybe I will be, but who knows? And then Christmas is the time for family, and I will have time to see you.
I
see?
want to be with my 2 kids.
Yes, you see what I mean? So you save it until Christmas. It's the same. All right? Oh, the whole month is Christmas, you know. The whole month of December. Yes, it's already middle of December. It's okay.
Yeah, we have 15 days to
Yes. Sometimes I give the things already beginning of September because I know I don't see them again.
But you'll be here next day.
Who knows?
Year?
Who knows? Yes, yes. I love to stay here forever if I can. If I stay forever, I would. How many? Baby and the babysitter? Or
No,
two
just one baby.
Just one. Yeah, we have dinner basically. You know, simple. This is the soup. So, yeah. This is like spring roll, Vietnamese spring roll. You can try everything. Alright, we prepared and waited for you.
I saw that I have a short time.
Oh, I know. You eat quick and then you go. Yes, it's a little cold now because we've been waiting, but it's okay. Cold also fine. I said, we take care because she doesn't have much time.
With you?
No, it's different, very different people.
Okay.
But they're all nice, they're all the same. All the same. You want soup or you want this?
So it's me.
Soup? Yes. Okay. Try, huh? This normally they make with egg, you know? This is Chinese with egg, but this is no.
Okay, this is only the vegetable.
Yes. Okay, madam? Yes. Yes. I agree with you, of course. It's just a temporary hotel. Yeah, just hotel suit for work.
This is para.
Yeah. Bean. Yeah, no struggle today. We have some time. Please eat. So you can go. Huh? Please eat. Come on. I said, you're working every day. Okay, family, today I take care of you. Just for one. When you know you're not just a worker all the time. Family, job, husband.
Just put it somewhere.
This looks like meat, but it's not. It's a vegetarian meat. Yes, this is from gluten. And soya is what you eat here. You know, this is soya plate. Okay? Hi, Kitty. Oh, she's sleeping already. Can I let him sleep? Huh? Will you let him sleep? Maybe he sleep better. Then he eat later. We bring some home for him. Sleep on the sofa or the big sofa. Comfortable. You just eat. Number one. Okay? Then we run. Alright? Then we bring some for him and we try at home. With other kids.
Yeah,
with the other kids.
It's waiting for me.
My God, how you do this? Then you ask me how I do it. This is
I'm in the same situation.
Yes.
Yeah, no, you work too hard.
Go to her? Yes, of course. She wear that just for hygiene, huh? Yes, Lara, please.
Really.
Huh? Yes, I am eating. You run around all day. Did you have time to eat at all? Sometimes.
In the morning.
And then late at night, right?
Yeah. From the morning to the 8 p.m. Yeah.
Oh, you're like a monk. Buddhist monk. Don't eat much. Good, huh?
Master says, you know, that our fellow practitioners already gave a cooking show in the university, technological university.
Yes.
And she wants to know when you are giving meditation.
Oh. Oh, when people want it, then it will be.
Cuando la gente lo quiera, así será.
Okay, let me try this. And I do.
These are delicious.
Yes? Wow. You don't eat sauce? You don't eat this?
Spicy?
Sauce, yeah, very. You don't like? Okay. No spicy. No hot. You're not Mexican, are you?
Tú eres mexicano, ¿sí?
You don't need this on that. Okay,
No
fine.
necesitas este en este.
What for you?
No, I have this still. Yeah, no. We can pack it and the kid try later at home. Yeah. Just to try it. They don't have to eat it. They can try on it. Yeah. So maybe even tomorrow warm it, and then yeah, try it.
Quizás mañana pueden calentarlo y
When you're not so rushing like this, I just want to welcome you. That's all. But you eat what you can, and what you cannot, we make it in a box. Tomorrow you warm up, eat with the rice. Muy rico.
solamente quería darte la bienvenida, pero si no puedes comer esto,
Yes, just to try. It's Chinese soup, Vietnamese spring rolls.
Esta es sopa china,
This is
frijoles
like
vietnamitas.
the Vietnamese also. This is probably Chinese. This is Vietnamese. That's something new for you
Yeah.
to try. That's all. Okay.
Algo nuevo para que pruebes para ti, nada más es todo.
If you're in a hurry, then you go. We pack it. Okay. Yes.
Don't worry, don't worry. Entonces, si te dice lo que te
So did you find all the ingredients in here?
My people, they came like 100, 200 people. Each one don't take a lot of clothes. They come here buy the clothes. And they bring only food. That's why. Because here difficult to buy. But they have a restaurant called Gopal in town.
You tell them.
Yeah. And then you can buy anything you want.
Hay gente vino con poca ropa, se compró la ropa aquí, pero se trajo llenas maletas de comida. Entonces hay un restaurante vegetariano aquí que se llama Gopal, donde puedes comprar cualquier cosa ahí.
Yo se lo voy a buscar.
I'm going to look for it.
You just want me to go eat cold. I eat cold sometimes. Just eat cold also. Very tasty. This beer, zero alcohol.
Este es algo sin alcohol.
Even children can drink if you mix with lemonade.
Incluso los niños la pueden tomar si la mezclas con limonada.
¿Quieres hablar con Carlos?
Hey, did you find out beer in Cancun Master?
Yes. You can buy anywhere.
La puedes comprar en cualquier parte.
American beer.
Cerveza americana. We even have Mexican beer master.
Have also no alcohol.
No alcohol.
Wonderful.
Sol cero.
Yeah, okay. I just give an example only, eh?
Solamente te doy un ejemplo.
Mm.
Me da pena mucho el niño.
No te preocupes. She said she felt very sorry not to face the environment. Rush.
No, I understand very well.
No, para nada, lo comprendo.
Because the journalists, they have very rough life.
Porque los periodistas tienen una vida muy pesada,
Sometimes dangerous even.
incluso a veces peligrosa.
So in our TV, we pray for your safety every day when you're at work.
Así que en nuestra televisión nosotros decimos oramos por ustedes en todo momento mientras están en
But sometimes they tell the truth and other people don't like it.
algunas veces dicen la verdad y otras veces
Not everybody welcome the truth.
no todo el mundo recibe bien la verdad.
But the truth sometimes hurt them.
Porque algunas veces la verdad consigue
Hurt the money
hiere su dinero
or business
o su negocio
or something, reputation.
o su reputación.
Yeah. It's tough to be journalist and they always have to run, from one interview to the next. Sometimes eat nothing, drink nothing all day.
Y es muy difícil ser reportero, si me corre una entrevista, no toma nada, no come nada.
That's why I take care of her a little bit,
Prefiero ir
Oh, it's so good.
Está delicioso.
Come back eat next time. If I say, oh, you come eat anytime. If I stay in Mexico,
Si me quedo en México,
I don't know yet, but I won't stay a little longer. If I can stay forever, I would. I love Mexico.
me puede quedar
I love the people.
So next time.
Thank you.